Hi there everyone. Thanks so much for checking out my video. My name is Eeshi-Ra Hart and I'm the founder of Sonic Life Solutions, and I am super excited to be sharing with you my passion for sound. I'm most honored to be invited to join you for 11/11 Unified, and 11/11 has been something that I have felt very connected to. I see 11 as a portal, anchoring a portal of light, and 11/11 like a double portal. So it feels like birthing the new paradigm, and most important at this time during this great awakening. And heart math, yes, I feel definitely a connection to that. I have one of the amazing sensors and I found it so helpful for myself to really increase my heart energy, feeling that beautiful buzz in my heart. So for me, what I'm sharing with you for my presentation is something called Frequencies for Awakening. And I am so passionate about sound because I truly believe that it is such an amazing catalyst for us, particularly at this time. There are many different sound journeys and sound healing experiences available today, but many of them are simply focused on relaxation. That's great. We all need to relax. But if we have an opportunity to choose frequencies which have been scientifically researched and often medically applied, that can produce amazing results like cross-hemispheric rebalancing, or uplifting your mood because it's stimulating beta endorphins, or helping you get to sleep, or dealing with inflammation, or taking you into a deeper state with your meditation, or activating your DNA, or activating your pineal. Well, those are the things I'm interested in, and I'm so happy to share them with you because I truly believe that the more we use sound, it's one of the best tools we have available to us. I look at humanity and I feel that we have moved so far away from ourselves that we are in this place of disconnection. And what I've done is I've thought like a scientist, I've thought a bit like a troubleshooter, reverse engineering the human condition. What are the challenges that we face in the world today? And what are the frequencies we can use to address that? So come on a journey with me into sound and let me share my passion and find tools that you can use in your daily life for not only personal transformation, but planetary as well. And I've got some special offers too. So come and check me out. Frequencies for Awakening. Thanks so much for watching.